It's a better light on it. So this socket right here is ball socket connection. Here is the end of the track bar. It's this bar right here. If you can see it, this bar goes over and across and goes down there. That is what ties this is the frame, and the other end is tied to the axle, and it keeps the axle from moving side to side, so that when you put steering force on, you push this rod this way, it pushes the wheels and doesn't just push the axle that way. And I think that thing is shot, just the way it's shaking. I bought a new one, a Moog. I'm about to put it in, but I'm going to record this to see if I figured it out. Now, for what it's worth, I've had the same problem before on a 2001 Range Rover, and this is what fixed it. I'm pretty sure you're going to see a lot of movement in that joint right now. Start the engine. Was just me spinning the wheel back and forth about a quarter turn, eighth of a turn off the center each way, just back and forth, back and forth. You can see it move, I think. We'll find out. Here we go again. This time I just replaced, you can see this guy right here. Hopefully you can see that right there. Or this guy, that's the new Moog problem solver. Oops. That's the old one. The new one does not have a greasable zerk. You can see that one has a zerk there. And the new one doesn't have that, but it has a much bigger joint on both ends. The only thing is, it looks like it might be a little bit different length, so my alignment's off, so I'm gonna have to fix that.